What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, Ali Bunny Ruth uploaded a short video clip and photos with Urasaya. Last day before Urasaya fly on Paris, they went at Sukhothai to join the yearly event of Bangkok Airways. Instagram post, Alibani Ruth, caption it, a beautiful day in Sukhothai, even if it's raining. Says Pirban was enjoying riding in a bicycle and going to the marketplace where they can have snacks and drinks and to enjoy the place. As you can see, many fans were so happy calling to Rasaya and did not expect that she will come to buy some food to them. Today, on a Dex activity, Nadekognia got his random videos from his lockborn on the spy doctor epidemic. One of his fans captioned it, Handsome Nadek, and yes, it was really true. It is a handsome face in any angle.